Hello children, we can continue the remaining part of the program. Question number 11. Write a program using a class with the following specification. Class name is case convert. Data number is string str. Member function. Void get str to accept a string. Void convert to obtain a string after converting each uppercase letter into lowercase. Then you have to display to print the converted string. Now let's see the program. Here you have to use scanner class. So class name case convert and data member string str, private string convert str and public void get str. Then scanner for inputting method scanner class we are using here. Then you have to print the string. That means you have to enter the string. Now here one formula is there for finding out how to find out the lowercase and uppercase. For lowercase a is equal to 97 and uppercase a is equal to 65. If you minus 97 minus 65 you will get as a 32. So you will get a 32. In the same way lowercase b is equal to 98 and uppercase b is equal to 66. So you will get as a 32. Same way z uppercase and z lowercase. So you will get a one formula now. How will get see the uppercase? 97 minus 32 will get as a 65. So our 97 is a lowercase and 65 is a uppercase. A small and A capital letter. In the same way 98 minus 32 you will get as a 66. So 98 is what? B and 66 is what? Uppercase B. So in this way one formula we derive that how we will get lowercase minus 32 you will get as a uppercase and uppercase minus 32 you will get a lowercase. So this same formula you have to apply for finding out the lowercase and uppercase. Now here you have to convert the string. So we have taken in a array char array of equal to new string str dot length. Then you have to take one loop int I equal to 0 semicolon I less than str dot length then I plus plus. Now here one for check for finding out the uppercase and lowercase using if statement. If character dot is uppercase, so str dot char ati you will get a that character will be a uppercase. Then array I equal to character dot to lowercase. You have to do the you will get as a which case lowercase you will get. So you will get the lowercase and uppercase. Then after that else str array equal to str dot character ati. Then you have to convert what all converted string you will get. That string you have to print equal to new string strr. Now see how I will now here see that. Suppose our size is 7. So Radhya I have taken and that size is a 7. So that his index number is we have to taken from 0 to 6. Size is 7. So you have to take the str dot length. So str dot length be 0 to 7. 6 will be there. And you have to find out the lowercase. Now lowercase minus 32 will get as a uppercase. Now see in 0 which character is there? A. A is a small case. So 97. Minus 32 will get as a 65. Now that A will become as a 65. Now we will get A in a array. In the same way next is what? R. R is what? Small case only. So lowercase minus 32 will get as a uppercase. So R ASCII value is what? 114. 114 minus 32 will get as a 82. And 82 uppercase R you will get. So if you apply this formula it is easy to find out the uppercase and lower case. So in this way you can do. After that you have to display the converted string. Then system.out.print that converted string had to print. After that for the main method you have to call the object one by one. Object dot get str, object dot convert and object dot display. Now we can see the output. So I have entered the string Aradhya. So I converted string what I will be get all are in a upper case because I have written in a small case. In the next example you can see enter the string half uppercase lowercase is there and half is a uppercase. ARA is a lowercase and DHY is a uppercase. When it converted string what will be happen? ARA will be a uppercase and DHYA will be a lowercase. So you have to apply that formula for finding the case conversation for uppercase and lower case. Today for this much only. Thank you, my dear children.